1. Be present and attentive. Attentive. Focus fully on the speaker, missing distraction. Put away your phone. Your phone. Number 2. Listen activity. Pay close attention to both the verbal and nonverbal choice. Number 3. Ask open and ended question. Avoid question that can be answered with an example yes or no. Number 4. Show Number 4. Show empathy. Try to understand the speaker's perspective and feelings. Number 5. Share relevant experience. Relate to the speaker's story by sharing similar experience from your one life. Number 4. Use nonverbal mode, smile and make eyes contact to show that you're engaged. Number 7. Be Be yourself and let your personality truths. Number 8. Feed common ground. Focus one area of agreement rather than whether on difference. Number 9. Be respectful. Value and speaker opinions, even if you disagree with them. Number 10. And gracefully express appreciation for the conversation and the speaker's time.